It was glorious. We had a wonderful reception, and it's so wonderful to be back in this great festival and in this great city again. Adventure, comedy, love, romance, mysticism, miracles, all the things you've come to know in an Indiana Jones film, we tried to put in here as a fond farewell to a great character. Well, movies were made to be seen on a big screen and shared. I mean, the number one thing that happens with a movie is not only do you see the imagery and hear the sound, the great John Williams score, all these sound effects on a grand scale, but you share the experience with people around you instead of the dog barking and people going to the bathroom and someone delivering pizza. It's a very different experience and one that I cherish.